Kind of hard doing things with one hand here. Sorry, guys. Okay. So I think we got it now. All right there. Terminator X Max 24W EV6 with transmission kit. Self-learning EFI system with the 3.5-inch touchscreen. And there it is. The long-awaited. There's the main harness, looks like. Got relays with it. Nice. I had a lot of questions about the relays, and I knew the plugs and stuff would all be labeled and everything. So there's the touch screen. Look at that here in a little bit. This is probably the transmission. I'm guessing the transmission plug. That looks like the plug on the tranny. Fuse there, and some plug-ins. That would probably, this will probably plug in. This end probably plugs into the computer. Oh, lots more good stuff in here. There's some more wiring for something. This will take me a while to figure out because I am not a wiring person. So hopefully I can figure it all out. There's another wiring harness for something. Possibly injectors maybe on that one. That's what that looks like, is injectors. So let's see, oxygen sensor. It only has one oxygen sensor. That should be right. And there's another plug for something else. And wow, that's a nice one too. I don't know what that's for either. So lots of stuff to learn here, but looks like they've given us everything we need. Cool sticker, and some more parts, small parts there for something. There is the instructions. Definitely gonna need those. And then last but not least is the computer itself. Let's set this off for a second. All right. Okay. Sorry for the shuffling around here. Maybe this way. There we go. Yeah, it's nice and wrapped up. Really nice. And there is the Terminator X Max computer. Nice. So it's got some numbers and lights on that side. So this one controls the transmission as well. Depends on what kit you have. I think there's lots of different ones for different setups. But this one controls the 4L60E. Has this wiring harness for that. Some of this other stuff, I'm sure it's going to tell me what this is for. Just has a part number on there, but cool. So we've got all kinds of wiring harnesses and the display. This is just a little LCD screen. Seen this on YouTube before. Lots of videos on YouTube on this product too. So if you guys want to learn more about it, I'm no expert, so it's got a nice little cover on it. That's cool. Didn't know it had a cover. That's neat. So yeah, everything here. Took me forever to get it, but I've got a lot of stuff to do yet still. So, but now I can get started on some of this. I can take and do some reading on it and find out where everything goes and what these extra harnesses are for. So pretty excited to see where I get so many questions, because I don't know exactly how it goes Let's see if there's a plug for plugging into the system on the Jeep. I don't know that there is, or if you can wire into it for your fuses and all that kind of stuff, the ignition, or if you have to scratch and go from scratch and do all that stuff yourself. There's not really too much about any of that. So it's got a little touch pin for the screen there. So, but pretty cool kit. I'm glad that everything's here. Finally get started on some of this wiring, and we can start getting some more of this stuff complete. We're getting pretty far along. I've got the transfer case now with the SYE kits already installed, so that's good to go. One of the other things that was on back order was the SYE kit. Can't even get it right now for the super short. So got that, and now I've got the wiring harness. So I'm going to go ahead and end this video here, and we will do some more video as I'm putting the harness on. I can explain a little bit more after I figure out what I'm doing, if I can figure it out. So but that's the unboxing of the Terminator X Max kit from Holley. I hope everybody learned something and can see what comes in the kit if you're getting the same exact kit. If you're ordering one, you just go online or call them. I called and made sure I was getting the right one. You have to know what your injectors are on your engine, and then you have to know what the plug is on the side. I can't remember what it is. There's a plug on the driver's side of the engine on the side of the block. You have to know what that is. And then there was one more thing. I can't remember what the other thing was, but it'll ask you when you go in there to order, and then you just find out what you've got, and then you can put it all in there, and it tells you which one you got, so, or which one you need. So I'll end the video now, and if you got any questions, just holler at me in the comments, and I'll try to reply back to you as soon as possible. Thanks. Goodbye.